Welcome to the new Pizzazz Plus cooking series.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but today's video is going to be a little bit different. Actually, I've decided to make a little series off of this. So, first things first, this is going to be a series on different cooking videos of me cooking things on this Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. First off, TikTok made me buy it. It was like around $50 or a little bit over $50 on Amazon. It was a little bit expensive, but it's supposed to be like an alternative to using your oven, and it's supposed to save you energy and like save on your electric bill and things like that. So today's video is going to be me cooking a frozen pizza, and then like maybe tomorrow I'll come back and do like a grilled cheese or something like that, because you not only can make pizza on this, but like you can bake on there. They said you can make like jalapeno poppers and just a whole bunch of things. So I'm really excited to try this out and see how it works out. So just stay tuned. So I'll be back when it's time to put the pizza on. Alright, guys, so I'm back and this is what I'm going to be making. So the directions say to cook it on dual for 15 minutes. I already have the timer up there, so I'm going to plug it up and I'll be back when I got the pizza. Alright, guys, so as you can see, the pizza has just been put on, and the directions say to not preheat this. So literally you just put this on there and let it go. So I'm also, even though this timer is on, I'm gonna let this I'm gonna add another timer onto it. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, so yeah, so this is the one that I'm making, the frozen regular crust, and it says to put it on dual.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa's just interrupting me. So yeah, it's on dual, and then to put it up there for 12 to 15 minutes. So I'll be back in about maybe 5 minutes and show you guys the progress. Alright, guys, so this is about maybe 10 to 11 minutes in. Honestly, I'm not really seeing a difference yet. Hopefully within that 9 minutes that this will cook something decent. It looks like it's still kind of frozen to me, but that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, now it is producing some heat though. I don't know. We got about 8 minutes left, if that. I don't know. I can see the cheese melting a little bit. But while we're waiting, let's look at the type of foods you guys can cook if you decide to get this. Do you see all of this stuff? I'm so tempted to try all of this. So because I'm doing this series, I want you guys to let me know what you want me to cook, and then I can do a video like that, or I can just go straight down this list. I mean, that's a lot to choose from. We'll see how this one goes though. So it's about maybe 7 something minutes left of it. We'll see. I'll let you guys know once I'm done here. Alright, guys, so we're starting to see a little bit more progress. I know I said I'll be back when it was over, but we got about 4 more minutes left. So I don't know if you guys can hear, it's a little bit of sizzling. The cheese is melting a little bit more now. I'm still skeptical, but maybe a lot can happen in 3 minutes or so. But I also want to show you guys that there's actually more food that we can cook. So there's cookies. I think I said that. Cinnamon rolls, grilled cheese sandwiches, s'mores. and quesadillas. So I'm definitely excited to try all of this. So again, like I said, just let me know what you guys want me to cook, if you want me to cook it in order, or you know, you just by you guys' choice. All right, I will be back this time for real. All right, guys. So the timer just went off up here. Alexa still got 20 something seconds, but it stopped. It's not going to stop spinning until I unplug it. But surprisingly, look at it. Like within that little 4 minutes, everything cooked. I'm kind of scared to touch the bottom of it, but look how it's like bubbling over, guys. That's so crazy. Okay, it looks good. It smells good. Oh, there's the timer. All right, guys. So I'll put this over to the other, transfer it over to the other pizza pan, and then I'll cut it to see how crispy it is. All right, guys. So this is how it is transferred over to the pizza cutter. I mean, to the pizza pan. It looks really good. So I'm gonna cut this up, and I'll be right back, guys. So as you can see, it made the back of it nice and crispy brown, and everything looks good. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy this. Thanks again for watching. If you guys haven't done so already, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Stay tuned for the next episode.